Well, this has got to be a space where we can be creative. It's got to be a convertible space where we have a conference room where we can do calls, look at the videos that we shot on. We have a 75-inch screen TV going in there. Conference room where we can take meetings, and my office, Caitlin's office, where we're going to do product development. Also, we have the studio where we can do photo shoots. These are going to be all light doors. They're all paneled, so you can see the natural light come in. So, and these floors are all going to be white epoxy. We're going to have a studio psych right here, so we can shoot on white seamless. Conference table here, kitchen there, gym. So it's a place where you guys can, everybody's able to be free and be creative. If you want to get on a treadmill for 20 minutes and, you know, look up things and see what you're working on or clear your head, it's the space to do that in. And then also have this be a space where we can invite editors and people from magazines and entertain and show off what products we're doing. We can do live broadcasts for globally and teach seminars and classes from right here. And it's like we're gonna have projection monitors so we can project onto the back screen, backdrops, and make really cool things happen.